Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active 2 round edition, and I'm gonna show you how to pause the workout on your watch. So first let me quickly start the workout. I'm gonna open the workout menu and start the workout. Okay, let's say you have the workout going and you want to pause it. You can do it in two ways. The first way is to swipe right on the screen and then tap on pause.
Workout paused.
And once the workout is paused, we have the duration of the pause, as you can see, and you can then do a couple of things like change the settings, you can end the workout and stuff like that. To resume the workout, you can simply tap on resume. Another way to pause the workout is to basically use the upper button. During the workout, you can press the upper button.
Workout paused.
And again, you have some settings here and stuff like that. And if you want to resume it, you press it again.
Resumed.
And basically that's how you pause the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.